Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel, and in this quick video I just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you because I reached 1000 subscribers here on YouTube. It's been a really short journey. I didn't expect to reach 1000 subscribers so quickly because when you listen to people online you usually hear something like it will take you 2 or 3 years or something like that. It's taking me a little bit less than 6 months of regular content to reach 1000 subscribers. I'm internally grateful to each and every one of you for leaving comments, for leaving suggestions, for leaving feedback on the videos, and I really can't wait to publish even more content for you guys to enjoy and to consume. Let me know down in the comments below what would you like to see further from this channel and what kind of content would you like to see more. Is it content like this when you see me and hear some design tips and tricks, or is it content where you see some tutorials on Adobe XD? And if it is, would you like to see shorter content, for example just a small bit of animation in Adobe XD, or would you like to see longer content, for example tutorials where I go into in-depth on design, for example mobile apps or websites, where we go, let's say 1 hour or 1.5 hours or 30 minutes or something like that. Let me know down in the comments below what would you like to see moving forward on this channel and what kind of content would you like me to create. So thank you once again for watching, thank you for being part of this small but growing community, and I really can't wait to publish even more videos. Stay tuned, next Monday is going to be a new video from this mobile app design series where we go from wireframes to Adobe XD and we are going to start developing our app and moving a little bit forward from just paper wireframes. So stay tuned for that video, it will be live next Monday, and next Thursday is going to be another design tips video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.